Welcome to the Complete HSE Officer Interview Guide for 2026-2027. In this video, you will learn the top health, safety, and environment interview questions with professional model answers designed for various industries. This guide is tailored for construction, oil and gas, and manufacturing sectors, as well as infrastructure projects, facility management, and broader industrial operations. Whether you are preparing for your first HSE interview or applying for a senior position, this guide will help you answer confidently. Let's begin with the first and most common question. Question number 1. Tell me about yourself and why you chose a career in health, safety, and environment. I chose a career in HSE because I believe workplace safety is one of the most important responsibilities in any organization. My goal is to help create a safe working environment where employees can perform their duties without injuries or incidents. I have completed professional safety qualifications, including NEBOSH, IOSH, and OSHA training programs. I have gained practical experience in risk assessments, hazard identification, and incident investigations. My background also includes conducting Toolbox talks, site inspections, and managing permit-to-work systems. Throughout my career, I have worked closely with workers and management to improve safety awareness and compliance. I enjoy this field because every safety improvement protects lives and improves company performance. Question number 2. What is a risk assessment and how do you conduct one? A risk assessment is a systematic process used to identify workplace hazards and implement control measures. The first steps are to identify hazards and then identify who exactly may be harmed by them. Next, you evaluate the level of risk and apply necessary control measures to mitigate it. Finally, you must record your findings and review the assessment regularly to ensure it stays updated. I always follow the hierarchy of controls, starting from the most effective methods. This includes elimination, substitution, and engineering controls as the primary defenses, followed by administrative controls, and finally, personal protective equipment, or PPE. For example, during a confined space activity, I once identified poor ventilation and a lack of gas monitoring. I recommended continuous testing and strict permit-to-work controls before any work was allowed to start. Question number 3. How do you handle an employee who repeatedly ignores safety procedures? In such cases, I first arrange a private discussion to understand the root cause of the unsafe behavior. The issue might be a lack of training, a misunderstanding, or even high work pressure. It could also stem from PPE discomfort or simple communication breakdowns on the site. After identifying the cause, I provide refresher training and explain the consequences of unsafe actions. I document all corrective actions. If the behavior continues, I then follow the company's formal disciplinary procedures. My approach is always professional and respectful, focusing on building a positive safety culture through communication. Question number 4. Describe your experience with incident investigation. I have extensive experience leading investigations into near misses, property damage, and workplace injuries. I commonly use methods like root cause analysis and the 5 whys technique to get to the bottom of an issue. I am also proficient with fishbone diagrams and bow tie analysis for more complex environmental incidents. My process starts with securing the area and collecting physical evidence immediately. Then, I interview witnesses and review all relevant procedures and documents to identify failures. I focus on identifying system failures rather than blaming individuals. This is key to preventing future occurrences. The ultimate goal is to implement and monitor corrective actions to ensure the workplace remains safe for everyone. Question number 5. What are the key components of an HSE management system? An HSE management system helps organizations manage risks and continuously improve their safety performance. Key components include strong leadership commitment, a clear HSE policy, and regular risk assessments. It also requires legal compliance, setting specific safety targets, and ensuring worker competency through training. Emergency preparedness, regular audits, and robust incident reporting systems are also essential parts. Most modern systems follow the ISO 45001 standard using the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. This cycle ensures that safety improvements are constant and compliance is always maintained. How do you stay updated with HSE regulations and industry best practices? I stay updated by following official bodies like OSHA and the HSE in the UK. I also track updates from professional organizations such as IOSH, NEBOSH, and ISO standards groups. Attending safety webinars and regular training sessions is a core part of my professional development. I also participate in industry conferences and professional networking to discuss the latest safety reports. Reading new legislation ensures I remain compliant with the latest regulations and industry-wide best practices. Question number 7. Describe a time you improved safety performance. In one project, I noticed a trend of frequent manual handling injuries among the workforce. I immediately conducted ergonomic assessments and organized specialized manual handling training. We improved workstation layouts and launched a very successful near-miss reporting campaign. As a result, injuries were reduced significantly, and safety awareness among staff improved. The reporting culture increased, and overall productivity rose while company costs decreased. This project was instrumental in building a much stronger safety culture throughout the entire organization. Question number 8. How do you ensure contractor safety on-site? Managing contractor safety is critical since they often perform the most high-risk activities on a site. My process includes strict pre-qualification, verifying safety documents, and site-specific inductions. I also review risk assessments and method statements and manage permit-to-work systems and daily talks. Ongoing site inspections, PPE monitoring, and clear incident reporting procedures are also vital. My goal is to ensure that all contractors follow the exact same HSE standards as our direct employees. What is your approach to HSE training and promoting safety culture? I believe that safety training must be simple, practical, and most importantly, engaging. I use classroom sessions, toolbox talks, and practical demonstrations to reinforce safe work habits. This is supplemented by emergency drills, e-learning modules, and direct on-the-job coaching. To improve culture, I encourage open communication, near-miss reporting, and strong leadership involvement. I also promote worker participation and use behavior-based safety programs to recognize safe actions. How do you manage environmental compliance and reduce environmental impact? Environmental compliance is crucial for meeting legal requirements and protecting our planet. My approach involves maintaining legal registers and conducting regular environmental assessments. I also focus heavily on monitoring waste management and controlling potential pollution and emissions. I promote recycling programs and energy conservation throughout all project sites. I fully support ISO 14001 environmental management systems and broader awareness programs. Environmental protection significantly improves sustainability and a company's long-term reputation. Before attending your HSE interview, remember these very important final tips. Always use the STAR method to structure your answers and give real workplace examples. Be sure to mention measurable results and research the company's specific hazards beforehand. Carry all your certificates, dress professionally, and always aim to arrive early. Speak confidently and show a genuine passion for maintaining workplace safety. Here are some additional important topics every HSE professional should be prepared for. Be prepared to discuss risk assessment, permit to work, and working at height. Also, study confined space entry, fire safety, and detailed incident investigation. Ensure you understand emergency response, correct PPE usage, and lockout/tagout procedures. Further topics include electrical safety, excavation safety, and scaffolding standards. Don't forget chemical safety, environmental management, and the ISO 45001 standard. Finally, review ISO 14001, HSE audit site inspections, and behavioral safety. Thank you for watching this complete HSE Officer Interview Guide for 2026-2027. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional content. Stay safe, stay professional, and keep building a stronger safety culture in your workplace. We will see you in the next video. Good luck with your interview.